If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're considering buying something from an internet entrepreneur named Wesley Virgin. And you want to know if his online courses and programs are legit or a scam. Let's get right into it. What's up? It's Kayla from OpinionProfitClub.com. As a fan, customer, and now an affiliate, I know firsthand that yes, he is legit. I was introduced to Wesley. He had an Instagram advertisement and I watched it, and it was, just since then I've been entertained and inspired by Wesley $1 billion Virgin, mainly because he talks a lot about how to reprogram your mind for success. He has these motivational videos that are high energy. I just like his style of teaching. Right? He has over a decade of experience. He started doing fitness videos, and he's been featured on sites like Forbes, Entrepreneur, and BuzzFeed. And I could tell he is really passionate about helping others improve their situation. His approach is really in your face, but the way he teaches is simple, it's easy to follow, and he shows you ways to make money online. So, if you are still on the fence about buying his Overnight Millionaire system, I'm going to give you an inside look at the program. So, here we are. This would be the page that you get to after you sign in. It's definitely worth the small investment. For less than $40, you get 24 modules, and on average, they last 7 minutes or less or more. On average, they last, 7 minutes. Some are shorter, some are longer, not more than 15 minutes. And they're videos and downloadable audio lessons. That's over 2 hours of content. Let me show you how it looks. So the Overnight Millionaire system here. See that? And you just click on it. You would press play. And it'll play out. Tells you how long it's going to take. It'll play out. Then he has some notes underneath it that, you should follow and other options. You know what I mean? Really straightforward. And the information he shares is the same across all platforms. He also gives a free bonus section. Look at that. And that doesn't include, there is also a webinar if you're serious about making money online. He shows you, you register for this webinar, and they show you the potential with doing affiliate marketing. It's about affiliate marketing. And so it just gives you more options there. Now, when you decide, hey, am I going to purchase this or not? You'll watch a video. It'll tell you more about what the Overnight Millionaire system is about. And this takes you to another page, a sales page, we call it. It tells you in detail about what you'll be getting, and then it has testimonials, and things like that. It talks about it has 100% money back guarantee, which is dope. And then you put a payment in it, put your payment information in there. Now, once you press complete order, I'm going to be honest with you. There is a lot of upsells that he offers. He is a businessman, right? And that's part of affiliate marketing. Some of those, those programs are legit as well. So they're affordable, and they work the same, his system, his processes are the same. I mean, you click on it, you watch it, or you listen, you download it and listen to it. So consider it, don't rush and just click that you're not interested, because it does require a couple extra dollars. I recommend that you take a look at what he's offering and to see if it's right for you. Me personally, I did purchase some other products I've purchased products before this one. It just keeps me motivated. It just keeps me going. And he, you know what I'm saying? He just real with his stuff. I never seen nobody like him. There is work involved. And the main thing is you have to have your mindset together. With anything that you're doing in life, you really have to have your mind focused and prepared for failure so that you can bounce back and win. So that's why I follow Wesley. In my experience, there are a lot of online business courses and things out there to tell you how to make money online. Most of them are boring and they only teach you technical ways. However, Wesley's Overnight Millionaire system gets straight to the point and it provides you ways to shift your mindset. So I hope this video review helped. Click the link below and start your journey to success.